Now, speaking of crime, Grand Theft Auto is coming to an iPhone near you, and that is after Take-Two Interactive announced a big deal with Apple. So let's go back now to our markets desk and Adam Johnson for all the details on GTA.
Yeah, Scarlett, this deal is huge, and let me show you why. I'll show you what we're talking about. Take a look at revenues for Take-Two Interactive, all right? Mobile is not even on the chart. Look at that, 72% console, we're talking Nintendo, Xbox, etc. 5% handheld, 3% PC, 20% distribution. Look at that, mobile's not even there. So what we're talking about here is a whole new avenue for Grand Theft Auto and certainly various other offerings of Take-Two Interactive. Well, here's the thing, Scarlett. Would you expect the stock was up huge yesterday afternoon as soon as this announcement hit the tape? Well, guess what? It wasn't. It was actually down a nickel. Now, here's the problem. Take-Two reports today after the close, and a couple of weeks ago, they lowered guidance. Well, actually, we spoke to Todd Mitchell of Kaufman Brothers. He said, guess what, guys? They might not even make that lowered guidance. That's the problem, all right? He said, here's what's happened over the past several months. Wholesalers have effectively lowered inventories for any number of reasons. And of course, the problem was if you wanted to actually buy your Grand Theft Auto, you might not be able to go back and buy the add-ons or the subsequent products. Well, that, of course, hurt earnings. He said in a larger sense, though, the company's really feast or famine. Take a look at the earnings stream over the past several years, Scarlett. You see, they have really had some tough years. Losses in 06, loss in 07, then they made money in 08, but again, a loss 09, and they might make money next year. That's really the issue. It's very inconsistent, Scarlett. Is the iPhone the next killer app? Well, certainly analysts hope so. There's not a single sell. There are, as a matter of fact, 8 buys, 9 holds. No one really wants to get negative on something potentially this large. Again, they report today after the close, 68-cent loss. That's what we're looking for. We'll be watching, Scarlett.
Okay, we'll keep an eye out for Take-Two Interactive's numbers. Thanks so much, Adam.